Dear students, in the earlier class, last session, you have learnt how to calculate empirical formula by empirical formula. Now you are going to learn how to calculate molecular formula by using empirical formula. Before that, you should know the definition about molecular formula. Molecular formula is the molecular formula of a compound is a whole number multiple of the empirical formula. அதாவது empirical formulaவோட whole நம்பரை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது கிடைக்கிறது தான் வந்து molecular formula அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். We can calculate the empirical formula. We can calculate molecular formula by using empirical formula with a whole number. So we can find out the empirical formula by using the following relation. See that whole number which is equal to molar mass of the compound divided by calculated empirical formula. So you know that molar mass of the compound already given. So for example acetic acid, easily we can calculate the molar mass of the compound. Then obviously you can calculate empirical formula mass of the compound. Finally we will get the whole number multiplied with the empirical formula. We can get the molecular formula of the compound. That's it. See, this is the definition for molecular formula. And once again I would recall what is that. I would remember empirical formula definition. What is the empirical formula definition? Empirical formula may be defined as the simplest ratio of different atoms. இல்லையா, அதுதான் empirical formula. Molecular formulaன்றது actual number of different atom. That is molecular formula. This is the difference between molecular formula and empirical formula. Let us see how to calculate the molecular formula from empirical formula. See the board, there is one table, calculation of molecular formula. MF means molecular formula from empirical formula. EF na empirical formula, right? The table will contain, there are different columns. First one compound, then empirical formula, and then molar mass, then empirical formula mass. See, in the empirical formula idனுடைய mass, and then whole number. You know very well about how to calculate whole number. Then molecular formula. That's all. Here we have three examples. The first one, acetic acid. It's a weak organic acid. You know that, right? Acetic acid. What is the empirical formula of acetic acid? CH2O. Molar mass of acetic acid 60. Then empirical formula mass. In the empirical formula oda mass வந்து 30 னா ஒரு கார்பன், ரெண்டு ஹைட்ரஜன், ஒரு ஆக்சிஜன். 12 16, right? Then 2 என்ன ஆயிடும்? Obviously 30. Whole number, you know that whole number எப்படி கால்குலேட் பண்ணுவோம்? Whole number which is equal to molar mass of the compound divided by calculated empirical formula. So by using the relation we can calculate what is that molar mass of the compound, what is that? 60. Then empirical formula mass is 30. 60 divided by 30 we will get what is that? 2. Okay, so appo the 2 ன்றது என்னது? n. So how can you calculate molecular formula? See, I have mentioned here, no problem. Molecular formula which is equal to empirical formula multiplied with n. So this is that. So empirical formula multiplied with whole number. Here whole number is 2. அப்ப என்ன ஆயிடும்? So இதை multiply பண்ணும்போது how many? 2C, and then how many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen, then 2 oxygen. So this is the molecular formula of acetic acid. For your convenient understanding, I have mentioned structural formula also. In your textbook, acetic acid means they didn't mention molecular formula. They have mentioned only structural formula like CH3COOH. They have mentioned like this only. So that I have mentioned structural formula, right? Then hydrogen peroxide, it is an inorganic one, isn't it? HO, empirical formula of hydrogen peroxide HO. இதோட molar mass 34. Then empirical formula mass is 17. So whole number calculate பண்றோம்ல 34 divided by 17 which is equal to 2. So HO multiplied with the 2, so H2O2. The structural formula the same, molecular formula and the structural formula is same one. Okay, right. Then lactic acid. Lactic acid source of lactic acid which is present in the milk. சரிங்களா? Right. So lactic acid CH2O molecular empirical formula, molar mass 90, then empirical formula mass 30, the whole number 90 divided by 30 which is equal to what is that? 3. So 3 multiplied with the empirical formula we can get this C3H6O3. So இதுதான் பாத்தீங்கன்னா lactic acid ஓட what is that? Molecular formula. I have mentioned a structural formula also. It's a bifunctional compound because it has a two functional group, OH and then COOH. நிறைய story இருக்கு, but we have studied on the upcoming classes. CH3, CHOH, COOH. So this is the way to calculate molecular formula from empirical formula. I hope you are all understand clearly. If you have any doubt, you may ask, I will answer. Okay.